Hey everyone! Today, let's build a simple, wired remote control car. This project is great for beginners, using basic materials and a straightforward design. Let's get started. First, gather your materials: cardboard for the chassis, 2 DC motors for the rear wheels, 2 DPDT switches, double pole, double throw, wire, a battery holder, a battery, and wheels. Wheels can be found from old toys or purchased online. You'll also need a glue gun, scissors or a craft knife, and a screwdriver. Now, build the chassis. Cut a rectangular shape from cardboard for the car's base. 6 inches long and 4 inches wide is a good starting point. Attach the motors to the cardboard using glue. Ensure the motor shafts face outwards, ready for the wheels. Affix the wheels firmly to the motor shafts. Next, the control box, where your DPDT switches come in. These control the motor's direction. Wire the switches to reverse the polarity to the motors. For each motor, use one DPDT switch, which has 6 terminals. Follow a wiring diagram to connect the switches to the motors and battery. Here's the wiring: one side of the switch controls forward movement, the other reverse. Center terminals connect to the motors. One motor terminal goes to the battery positive, the other to negative, depending on the switch position. The DPDT switch swaps the polarity, reversing motor direction. Wire each motor to its switch. Ensure secure and insulated connections. After wiring, put your battery holder on the chassis and connect the battery. Test the motors to see if they're running forward and reverse. Make wiring adjustments if needed. If the car only moves in one direction or not at all, recheck all connections. With wiring done, mount the switches to a box or directly on the cardboard. Position them for easy access. Tidy the wires, securing them with glue or tape. Decorate your car with a cardboard body or stickers. This is where you can be creative. Once assembled, test your creation. Use the switches to control the car. One switch controls forward and reverse for one wheel. The other controls the other wheel, allowing for skid steering. Practice maneuvering and enjoy. Building this RC car is rewarding. You've learned about circuits, motors, and remote control. This project is a great start for exploring electronics and robotics. You can experiment with different motor sizes, chassis designs, and control systems. Have fun building and experimenting. Thanks for watching.